Welcome, in front of me is an EMPORIA Smart.5 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, then extend the list by swiping down on it once again, and locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. Now once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, but what I recommend doing instead, at least the first time around, is holding it. This will then take you to the settings, where you can quickly get a glance at how it is set by default. Now, if something doesn't fit your needs, simply change it. Now, quickly going into a couple of the more important options, we have calls and messages, so you can select who can call you and message you between these two options. Then we have restrict notifications, you can just kind of block certain notifications, and then most importantly we have the schedule mode at the very bottom. So here we have two modes that are already made by default, so you can enable them. You can also tap on the gear icon to customize them. You can customize each day of the week that you wanted to turn on during. I can select start and end time. Now if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure you toggle it on in here like this, and that's all you would need to do. The phone will then turn it on and off based on the provided time that is set in this kind of schedule. Obviously you can also create your own by add more if you want to. Now for everybody else, to turn on your Do Not Disturb mode, all you need to do is just find the toggle and tap on it like this to turn it on. And once you're done with it, you want to turn it off by tapping on it once again. Now luckily, I think right here we have default duration, so if you tend to forget to turn things off like this, like the Do Not Disturb mode, you can set it up right here, default duration, and I recommend selecting it to be 4, it says 1 hour by default, but we can increase it to, for instance, 5 hours. Confirm it, and then whenever you actually press on the toggle right here, it will enable itself for exactly 5 hours. You can change that to whatever time you feel you will need, but this is a good safeguard. If you forget about the Do Not Disturb mode, then it will automatically turn off after the set amount of time. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.